Welcome. Today we're diving into the latest update on how to make a video call using the WhatsApp app on your PC. With this new feature, staying connected with friends and family has never been easier. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the official WhatsApp website. Once it's up and running, you'll be greeted with your chats. Next, look for the phone icon located on the left side menu of the app. This icon is your gateway to making calls. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll see a section labeled Recent. This section displays all your recent chats, making it easy to find the contact you want to call. Scroll through and locate the person you wish to video call. Once you've found your contact, right-click on their name. This action will bring up a menu with several options. Here, you'll want to click on Video Call. After clicking that, WhatsApp will initiate the video call. Make sure your camera and microphone are working properly so you can have a seamless conversation. During the call, you can enjoy face-to-face interaction just as if you were meeting in person. If you need to adjust your audio or video settings, simply use the icons available during the call. And that's it. You've successfully made a video call on WhatsApp using your PC. This update makes it incredibly convenient to connect with loved ones, no matter where they are in the world. Remember to keep your app updated for any new features that may enhance your calling experience even further. Happy calling!